Good morning, students. As you know that we have already studied in the last class about reported speech. Okay. So in the last class we studied about how to change from direct into indirect speech. Okay. There are certain steps are there to change from direct into indirect speech. Let us once again revise the steps to change from direct into indirect speech. Okay. The steps. What are the changes we are going to do if we want to change from direct into indirect speech? Okay. So first step. Okay. Here, change of change of change of time and place. Time and place. For example, nearness into remoteness, change of the time and place. Now, then, this, that, here, there. Okay, change of the nearness into remoteness. And change of time and place. We have to, from if you want to change from direct into indirect speech, we need to change. First step is change of time and place. Second step is change of reporting. See, reporting verb. Change of the reporting verb. We have to change the reporting verb. For example, Rama said, I am going to market. Here we have to change reporting verb said. Okay, said. We have to change the said according to the sentence within the double inverted comma. I am going to market. It is an assertive sentence. Depending upon this sentence, we are going to change what? This reporting verb. Okay. So it should come before double inverted comma and after subject, that is reporting verb. Change of the reporting verb. Third one is change of pronouns. Change of person. Okay. Change of the person. First person, second person, and third person. Third person, no change. If he, see, it comes, we have to use it as he, see, it, no change. Then, if here, we and you, okay, second person is, see, second person, you and you. First person, I and we. Second person, you and you will change it to they. Okay? You and you will change it to they. Then we will, I will here. It will change it as he, see, it. Okay? Change of the person. For example, I am going to write one example here. Rama said, Rama said, I am very, I am very busy now. Double inverted comma complete. Rama said, I am very busy now. So this is a direct speech. You know why it is called direct speech? Because we are quoting the exact words of the speaker. That is why it is called direct speech. Okay. So here is a person I. Here I have mentioned. Okay. Rama said, comma, double inverted comma. Then here, Rama said. We have to, in assertive sentence, we have to use said as it is. We should not change said. Rama said that. Okay. Rama said that I will change into he. Rama. See here. Rama said that remove comma and double inverted comma. Okay. Rama said that he. See, change of the tense. We have to change the tense. Rama said that he was very busy. Then we have to change this time. Change the time of this word. Okay. Now, then, this is a present continuous tense. You have to change it as a past continuous tense. I think you studied it in the last class about the change of the tense. Okay. If in direct speech, if it is simple present tense, you have to change it as a simple past tense. If it is present continuous tense, we have to change it as past continuous tense. If it is present perfect tense, we have to change it as past perfect tense. Then if it is present perfect continuous tense, we have to change it as a past perfect continuous tense. If it is simple past tense, okay, if the sentence within the double inverted comma is simple past tense, we have to change it as a past perfect tense. Rama said, I am going to write down the few examples I have noted here. Okay. See, Rama said, I am very busy. Present continuous tense. If it is simple past continuous, Rama said, I was very busy. Okay, I was very busy. Then how do you change? Then Rama said that he had. See, past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Then Rama said, for example, if it is a past perfect tense will not change, will remain. Okay, past perfect tense will remain past perfect tense only. Then past perfect continuous tense, no change. Okay, past perfect continuous tense only. So, my dear students, what you have to do is, before we are going to change it as change from direct speech into indirect speech, what do we do? See, first thing you need to know the tenses. Okay, all the tenses. There are 12 tenses. 3 tenses are there. Then all the 3 tenses have 4 different parts. Okay. I mean present tense, past tense and future tense. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. And future tense, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. See, all these tenses, okay, all these, before we are going to change from direct into indirect speech, you need to know the kinds of tenses and their helping verbs. When if you come to know the helping verbs, okay, if you come to know about the helping verbs of all the tenses, then only you will definitely change from direct into indirect speech. Okay. So here is a third step is change of the person. Change of the person. The next is fourth one is change of fourth step is change of the tenses. change of the tenses. Okay, change of the tenses. Okay, so these are the steps. And fifth one is remove comma and double inverted comma. Double inverted, yes, that is a double inverted comma. From direct into indirect speech, we need to change the time and place. Now and then, here, there. Change of the time and place. Change of the reporting verb. Said, asked. Okay, we have to change the reporting verb according to the sentence within the double inverted comma. And change of the tenses. Change of the person. Change of the person. I and we will change it to he, she, it, and we, she, her, they. Okay? Not they, here. We. Okay, we can use they here. We are going, they are going. We can put like this. Okay? You, and they. Then remove comma and double inverted commas. Remove comma and double inverted commas. So these are the steps to change from direct into indirect speech. So my dear student, now let us, we are going to discuss some examples. There are some examples how to change from direct into indirect speech. I am going to write down a few examples here. You can note down these examples because these examples will help you to get more marks in your annual examination. First one is here, according to the tenses only we are going to discuss. According to, for example, simple present tense. First, at the beginning, we are going to discuss about simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. Simple present tense. See, here simple present tense. Kiran said, I write a novel. Kiran said, I write a novel. This is a direct speech. Kiran said, I write a novel. Direct speech, okay? Kiran said, I write a novel. Simple present tense, direct speech. Direct speech, it is in simple present tense. How do we find out that this is a simple present tense? Because no helping verb, okay? There is no helping verb in this sentence, okay? And we have already quoted the exact words of the speaker, that is why it is called simple present tense. Kiran said, I write a novel. See, how do we change it as change from direct into indirect speech? The first thing, subject. No change in, this is a direct speech, this is the indirect speech. There is no change in the place of, in what? In subject. Okay. We should not change subject. We have to use as it is. Kiran. Okay. So there is a change in what? Reporting verb. There is a change. But in assertive sentence, we should not change. Okay. Which, if it is said, Kiran said, I write a novel. If it is according to that sentence, if it is asserted, okay, what is an assertive? Before we are going to change it as direct to indirect speech, and we need to know the kinds of sentence. Okay, if it is an assertive, there are different kinds are there. See, in assertive, asserted, narrated. Okay, I mean declared. Okay, see, Kiran said if it is an assertive, what we have to, Kiran asserted that, or Kiran narrated that. If it is a narration is correct. So Kiran said that. Okay, Kiran narrated that. See here we can use said only. Kiran said that. In assertive sentence we have to add that. Here sometimes we use told. Okay, in assertive sentence sometimes we use told. Okay, reporting, change of the reporting verb. When Kiran, it is not direct sentence, not directly conversation. Okay, so direct, it was not directly said. Okay, Kiran said I write a novel. Hello, one kade helidane. Kiran said I write a novel. Kiran said to me. So if it was direct, okay, Kiran said to me I write a novel. If it was said to me, then Kiran told me that. Don't use to told to me. I tell to me is wrong. Told me is correct and tell me is correct. Kiran told me. When if it is direct speech, I mean if it is Kiran said to me, if it is said to me, so what we have to use? Kiran said to me I write a novel. Kiran, for a moment, for national anthem, I am going to stop for 1 minute. Thank you. See, Kiran said that I write a novel. I will change into he. Kiran said that okay. Kiran said that he. Simple present will change to simple past. Kiran said that he wrote a novel. Only full stop. Okay. Novel. There is no double inverted comma. So this is a simple present tense. Kiran said, I write a novel. Kiran said that he wrote a novel. Kiran said that he wrote a novel. Kiran said that he wrote a novel. Simple present tense will change into simple past and change of the person. Next, direct speech. Kiran said, I am writing a novel. See, if it is continuous, present continuous tense, Kiran said, I am writing a novel. One present continuous tense, we have to change from direct into indirect speech. We have to, there is no change. Kiran only. Kiran said, here is that. Kiran said that I am writing a novel. present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. Kiran said that I here will change into he. Kiran said that he was writing a novel. Kiran said that he was writing a novel. This is about present continuous tense. Yes, next one is direct speech, that is present perfect tense. Kiran said, comma, double inverted comma, I have, present perfect tense. Kiran said, I have written a novel. Kiran said, I have written a novel. This is present perfect tense. Indirect speech. Kiran said that, see, I will change it to he. Present perfect will change into past perfect tense. He had. I have. He had. Two times I have written have. I have written a novel. Kiran said that he had written a novel. This is about present perfect tense. We'll change it to past perfect tense. The next one is direct speech. Present perfect continuous tense. Kiran said, comma, here is comma, double inverted comma, I have been, writing a novel. Kiran said, Kiran said, I have been writing a novel. Indirect speech is Kiran said that I will change into he had. Present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Kiran said that he had been. Okay. Present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. That is, I have been writing a novel. That is, he had been writing a novel. Full stop. Okay, it is about present tense. Okay, there are four kinds: simple present, present continuous tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Here, Kiran said, I write a novel. Simple present tense will change into simple past tense. Kiran said that he wrote a novel. Simple present. Change of the here reporting verb. No changes in assertive sentence. Okay. That, and here we have to add that. Then change of the person. Here Kiran. If it is Sita, she. Okay. If it is male, he. If it is female, she. He wrote a novel. Simple present tense. Then Kiran said, I am writing a novel. Kiran said, I am writing a novel. Kiran said that, indirect speech, Kiran said that he was. Present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. Kiran said that he was writing a novel. Then, here, present perfect. Kiran said, I have written a novel. Kiran said, I have written a novel. Here, indirect speech. Kiran said that he had written a novel. The next one is direct speech. Present perfect will change into past perfect tense. Then Kiran said, I have been writing a novel. Present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Kiran said, I have been writing a novel. Kiran said that he had been writing a novel. My dear students, try to remember that this is the change of the tense. Okay, change of the tense from simple present into simple past. Present continuous into past continuous tense. Present perfect into past perfect, and past present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. So these are the very important steps to change. Okay, very important steps. First one is change of the reporting verb. We have to change the reporting verb. Then remove comma and double inverted comma. Then next change of the person. Okay, change of the person and change of the tense. We have to change the reporting verb according to the sentence within the double inverted comma. It is about simple, it is about present tense. Let us, we are going to discuss about past tense. If the direct tense, direct speech is in past tense, then how do we change? If the direct speech is in past tense, so here, see, Kiran said, here, Kiran said, I wrote a novel. Very simple. Okay. If it is if this direct speech, if it is in simple past tense, how do we? I think I have already told you that. How do we find out this simple past? See, depending upon the sentence, okay, depending upon the sentence within the double inverted comma. The sentence within the double inverted comma, this sentence, okay, it tells about if it is simple past, then how do we change indirect speech? Kiran said that. Kiran said that. Past. See, try to remember, my dear students. We should not change the tense of this reporting verb. Try to understand. If it is say, says only. Okay. There is no change in the tense of the reporting verb. There is no change. If it is said, said only. If it is in the past, past only. If it is in the present, present only. If it is in future, future only. There is no change in the tense of this reporting verb. Okay. Kiran said, I wrote a novel. This is simple past tense. Then how do we change? Kiran said that he. Okay. Kiran said that he wrote. Simple past tense will change into past perfect tense. Kiran said that he had written a novel. Kiran said that he had written a novel. Okay. So simple past tense. Kiran said, I wrote a novel. Kiran said that he wrote a novel. Then direct speech. Kiran said, I was writing a novel. Kiran said that I was writing a novel. This is about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Indirectly, Kiran said that I will change into he. He had been writing had been writing a novel. So, my dear student, in this class, we studied about change of the present tense. Okay, if the direct speech is in present tense, we have to change in simple present tense, simple past tense, and if it is in the present continuous tense, we have to change it in past continuous tense, present perfect, past perfect, and present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and this one is about simple past tense. Okay, it is about simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay, change of the direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, we need to follow these steps. In the next video, we will discuss about present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense and future tense. Okay, if the direct speech is in present perfect, past perfect continuous tense, and future tense. Okay, thank you. And my dear students, try to note down all the examples in your English notes. Thank you.